What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my first experience shopping on Poshmark. I know I'm late to this party. I love finding like vintage pieces and, authentic, unique pieces, most importantly. And I don't know why I never shopped on Poshmark. Did I just say Poshmark? Poshmark. But what finally made me shop on Why do I keep saying Pos? That's why I don't shop on Poshmark, because I can't even say the word posh. But what finally made me cave in and start shopping on Poshmark is the fact that Carolina Lemke, a German designer of luxury sunglasses, stopped selling her 𝗀𝗄𝗄𝗜 collaboration. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, please subscribe. I do videos on skincare, grooming, fashion, tips, wellness, you name it. So I love your company. But if you are not new, then you know that I absolutely love the collaboration between Kim Kardashian West and Carolina Lemke. The design of the sunglasses are unique, they're modern, they're fun, and they're affordable, most importantly. So the fact that they're no longer sold on CarolinaLemke.com had me a little sad. So what did I do? I started doing my research where I can find the pieces that I did not pick up. And I, fortunately enough, have these two right here. This is the Tempest design. Very unique, very modern, very futuristic. Probably my favorite piece. And I also have the 𝗀𝗟 in black smoke. I personally love black sunglasses. To me, they just scream like bad. I don't know. They scream like importance, prestige, luxury, and just like, oh wow, all right, he knows what he's doing. Anyway, I have a pair of glasses that I was fortunate enough to find on Poshmark, and I actually bid for them. I've never bid on Poshmark, let alone even went on the site, and I actually won. So I'm pretty excited. Today, I'm gonna share with you my first experience using Poshmark and unboxing the product. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. You guys, I have to say my first experience has been quite pleasant. The pair of glasses that I bid for was, I think she had listed for 40. I bid 25, I know I'm a scoundrel. And she came back with 35, and then I did a counter offer for 30. Guess what? You already know, I won. And I'm so excited because these glasses are originally a $90 pair of glasses, and the fact that I got them for this cheap, I cannot believe it. So this is a little thank you package. What I'm going to do is also link the information for this seller on my description box down below if you guys want to check out her shop. I actually don't know what else she sells, but this is pretty cute. This is very girly. I'm guessing, I'm not sure if this is actually from the seller or if this is Poshmark's packaging, but it's cute. I like it. And here we go. We're going to open this up. And guys, I'm kind of pumped because not only did this seller have, oh, there's a little card here. This is cute. Thank you. Hope you enjoy your purchase from my Poshmark shop. Lauren DDB. All right, cool. So again, I'll leave all her information down below, and I'll check this out in just a moment. But look, she actually provided the box that the glasses came in. That's a lot, guys. So first off, we know they're already authentic. Poshmark does certify all their pieces, and I mean the box is here too, so that's pretty sick. This is adorable though. The fact that the shop owner left a little note here, that is really cute. I'm curious as to what it's gonna say. It says thank you, and we can already tell the aesthetic is very polka dot, and which I'm guessing, with that being said, is probably in regards to the buyer's, choice. So that's cool. Details. We appreciate the details. Dear George, thank you for your shopping in my Poshmark closets. Hope you enjoy your purchase. Sincerely, Lauren. Very cute. Thank you, Lauren. Very happy to do business with you. And again, guys, if you're not familiar with Carolina Lemke, this is how these glasses are delivered. A drawer. And yes, we have the hard case as well. The hard case for these glasses, guys, I tell you, they're durable, and it's just so monochromatic and sleek looking. Love it. And it does say Kim Kardashian West, Carolina Lemke. Love. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, the style that these glasses came in, I tried researching the style and I cannot find the name anywhere. And of course, I already told you guys to know the name of my previous purchases, but this, I cannot find it. If I do find it, I will leave it right here or in the description box. But yeah, it kind of sucks. Oh my god, you guys. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Yet another pair of beautiful black glasses to add to my collection. I have to say, these are sick. And it does say Kim Kardashian West on the inside, Carolina Lemke on the outside. And the condition of these, Lauren, you kept these in great condition. I'm very proud. This is sick. It doesn't have the soft case in here, but again, I mean, I actually never use a soft case. Like my soft cases, first off, they look like this, that come with the 𝗀𝗄𝗏 glasses. I never personally used it, so I'm not bothered. But let's go ahead and try these on. Oh my god, who is he? These are sick. These are very like motocross / like racer type glasses. That's what it reminds me of. I'm loving these guys. Of course, again, I mean, I'm just obsessed with black sunglasses, and now I have 3. I just bid for another pair on eBay, so of course if I like win that auction, then I'm gonna make another video. But wow, I have to say the condition's great, the presentation was beautiful, and Poshmark, I might be a continuous shopper now. This is sick. I'm so pumped, guys. My overall experience with Poshmark has been extremely simple. It all happened so quick. I mean, I went on there to see if they had Carolina Lemke glasses. Then I seen this pair from Lauren, and I bid for them. And it all just happened like within a matter of like 15 minutes. Now I have the glasses. Delivery was really quick too. I just want to make sure I stress that. I ordered these probably like last Tuesdays when I started the whole scenario, and then now today's Monday, not even a week later, and I have them. So that is really sick. Great experience, guys. If you're not a Poshmark shopper, this video is not sponsored. I'm not an affiliate with them. I'm not collaborating with them by any means. I may even become a Poshmark seller at this point. The whole experience is just really cool, guys. So if you have shopped on Poshmark, sign up in the comment section down below. Let me know about your experience. You probably have, guys. I'm very late to this whole trend of like used shopping online, and I'm a huge fan when it comes to like vintage shopping and thrift shopping and, you know, antiques and whatnot, but I've just never really dabbled in the whole Poshmark and the Real. I think there's like 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗍. There's like a bunch of other like retailers that you could buy and sell used clothing from and accessories. So I'm loving it, guys. This is awesome. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, multiple times a week. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagram is right here at 𝗀𝗄𝗄𝗏 if you want to give me a follow in there as well. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.